Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chalk, and today I'm just doing a quick little reveal of an order I received yesterday after we were live. So this right here is the first one. He's multiple layers, so this will be a nice craft. And when you see this, let me know which one you would like to see next. Tonight I will be coloring in the one that we did yesterday at 7 o'clock. If you want an invite, let me know, because it is a private party, but I would like everybody to join. So this is number 1. This here is number 2. Little fox with wreath. Number 3, sunshine on my mind. We all need this. Hey Ange, let me know which one you see first. I'll go over the ones that you've missed. So sunshine on my mind. This one I wish I had got before Canada Day, but it says "Oh Canada," and we can put them any which way, right? Because there are cut lines here, so we can design it any way you like. And again, because these are multi-use, we can use them 8 to 12 times in different formats and on different surfaces. And we can either chalk or ink it. And then our big guy. I'm gonna knock things on the floor, I have a feeling. Something to floor. And this says, mightier than the waves of the sea is his love for you. And this one's just a nice reminder. Nice spiritual reminder that you're not alone. He's with you and he loves you. Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? So I'll go over them once again because there's more people on. We have, what is he? Squirrel? No. But he's cute, is what he is. Raccoon, that's what it is. Had to think about that. Mr. Raccoon. Little fox with a wreath. How's everybody doing today? Again, sunshine on my mind. You like which one, hun? The "Oh Canada." With the leaf and the flag. again. Our big guy. And nothing's exploding. Mightier than the waves of the sea is his love for you. Oh, the raccoon? Yeah. Oh, and the fox. Raccoon and fox. So later tonight, we're going to attempt to color this guy in. Oh, I'm holding upside down. Although it's flowers, so it's kind of, you can't tell. So we're gonna do this one up tonight. I'm running a party for somebody. So if you want to be invited and come see this, let me know. If anybody has any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you would like to join, hashtag join. This is Chalk Couture. If you want to know about Club Couture, hashtag club. We do, I believe, still have the Try Me kits, so hashtag try me if you want those. The Club Couture is 3 months commitment, $19.99 American or $26.99 Canadian. But that is all I wanted to show you today. I just wanted to show you that because it came after our live last night, or yesterday afternoon. So I will see you guys at 7. If you would like to come, let me know, and I will see you there. Bye guys.